All right, this is the next day after setting it up. Unboxing is pretty easy. Everything's already set up. You're just plugging stuff in. And I was reading the machine had to run for 4 to 5 hours just before you start it. But we have our eggs here and we are ready to put eggs in. Noah, can you lift the lid off? So lift it up. Just put it upside down right here. Maybe. The cord's pretty long. Okay, so now we can start putting eggs in. Okay, hold on. Let's put those in because they're older. Okay, so let me explain first. These ones are from today, and then these 3 light colored ones are from today. All these other ones right here, I got from some on our counter. Yeah, they could be 2 or 3 or 4 days old, but Google said that, I don't know, I guess you can have them up on your counter for up to 5 days. I mean, as long as the temperatures were okay, but we'll find out because it's just a learning experience. So, okay, guys, the point has to be down in these. Well, find the pointy side of the egg, and they have to be down.
So the flat is pointing up?
Yeah. Okay, hold on, Noah. I want these ones on this one. Summer?
So,
yeah.
look.
Yes, point down. Yep, point down. You guys be careful, please. These can't be cracked at all. Summer? I was trying to explain so that we know the difference between the new ones and the old ones. I want the older ones in these 2 rows, and then the new ones will be here. That's why I was trying to explain that. Okay. So that goes in, yeah, one of those ones, Summer.
Mom, is this one new or old?
That's an old one. So put it in this one right here. Yep, like that. But then...
This one?
Yeah, that one is actually one of the new ones, but we're going to put the new ones right here, Noah. These 3 last light colored ones, we're going to put here. Hopefully.
In the old section?
Yep, here, hold that one up for me. Thanks.
Why the
Okay.
old section?
There we go. So that one's empty. Well, just because I want to know when the time's up and the chicks hatch, I want to know maybe if the old ones worked or not, if the new ones worked better, or if it matters. I'm just kind of doing an experiment, so I want to try to remember where they're at.
No, could you hold that one up?
So if I forget, I can refer back to this video and hopefully remember. Okay, good job. Careful.
I can't tell.
That looks like it's point down.
Probably like that.
Sure, yeah. Okay, and then one more.
There we go.
Okay, I hope all the points are down the way they're supposed to be. And remember
1,
this.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's 6 in each row. So what's 6 times 5? 30. So 30 eggs. We have 30 eggs in here. Back row's older, and then these 3 are older, and then all of these, the rest of them are from today. Or possibly yesterday, because I just got them out of the coop today. Yep, put the lid back on. Okay, flip it over. Okay, hold it nicely. We don't want them to touch the eggs, Noah. You're not supposed to let go of it. Yep, we gotta put that on. Can you help them at all, Summer?
No.
Okay,
How come it has
so the
to
lid
rock?
is back on.
How come it has to rock, but you don't want it to get out of place?
The eggs have to move, and so it rocks back and forth.
Does it rock by itself?
So I was gonna say, it says, let's see, just a minute, Noah. To ensure that the timer is accurate to 21 days, reset the timer after setting the eggs. To reset the incubator timer, press and hold the day in the line for 3 seconds. Okay. So now it is reset to 21 days. It's starting over. Summer, I'm trying to look at this. The humidity is where it's supposed to be. Well, it says 50 percent, so hopefully not completely. And it's supposed to be at 99.5. It probably just has to get back up there since we took the lid off. But so I think, and because it was at 99.5 before I took the lid off. So that just needs to get back up to where it was. Percent should be good.
Make the babies rock.
Day 21. And it says that this should be halfway. So I think everything is set the way it's supposed to. The water's filled up. And there was one other thing. I don't know, but I feel like that's where we're at. So I guess if anything changes,
Make them rock.
keep you updated. Oh yeah, that's what it was. It recommends one of these kind of thermometers in it. And so I just went on Amazon and I bought the one they recommended, the little giant incubator thermometer. She's probably not going to be here till next week sometime, but it'll be nice to keep another thermometer inside to make sure the inside temp is accurate to what it says on top. Anyways, that's where we're at.
Wait,